Hey, this is how to start a Ableton Live project. Here it is right here. I got Ableton Live 10 Lite. So when you click on it, it comes up like this. If you want to do the other mode, hit the tab button like that. You have 2 MIDI tracks and an audio track, and then different effects down here in your master volume. So, and then if we're gonna do a audio track, click in here, drag this out, and you can go into your iTunes if you want, and just drag a song from there. That's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna get something that's downloaded in this particular computer. Got car bomb. Oh. Grab this song, drop it right there. Pull it across like that. It's in there, press play. That's it for that part of it. I hope this helps.